Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify product listings for a tech accessory unboxing brand, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. On the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Products. Select all products to view your existing listings or to add new ones. To create a new product listing, click the Add Product button in the top right corner. In the Product Details section, enter the product title, making sure it is clear and descriptive. Next, add a compelling product description that highlights the features and benefits of the tech accessory. Use bullet points for easy readability, focusing on key specifications. Scroll down to the Images section and upload high-quality images of the product. Make sure to include images from different angles and in use, if possible. In the Pricing section, set the product price competitively based on market research. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract initial customers. Next, configure the inventory settings by entering the SKU and tracking quantity. Ensure that the Continue Selling When Out of Stock option is selected if applicable. Move on to the Shipping section, specifying the product weight for accurate shipping rates. If your brand offers free shipping, consider checking the appropriate option. In the Product Type field, categorize your tech accessory for better organization. Use relevant tags that describe the product for improved searchability. Choose the appropriate vendor name to enhance brand visibility. Review your listing for accuracy and coherence. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize the product listing. To publish the product, ensure the visibility option is set to Online Store. Repeat this process for each tech accessory you plan to list. When all products are listed, preview your online store to ensure everything appears as intended. Finally, continuously update your listings with customer reviews and additional images over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.